Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. And we're going to dive into some fitness on this channel as well. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. Today, we are packing my suitcase. Well, technically, my husband's suitcase and my suitcase. For the record, I am not an expert packer, okay? I kind of just go with the flow, but I've started being more organized. So I wanted to share some tips on how to make as much space as possible for carry-on luggage. For my husband's shirt, I fold in the sleeves and then I fold it for about like 1/3 each way in the middle, and then I just roll it up and voila, magic. So I'm using these suitcase organizer bags, and you guys, they are literally a game changer. I can pack so much more with them and I truly do love them. I do have a link below in the description box for my Amazon storefront, and you can find all of your packing essentials in there. I was able to fit about 8 shirts in his bag. When we pack, we do kind of overpack because our minds change, and then sometimes the weather changes, and we're not always 100% certain what days we want to wear what. It was a weekend trip, but it was Thursday through Sunday, so there you have it. For my husband's linen pants, I did turn them inside out and I folded each leg in half, and then I combined them together and just rolled it up. It saved a lot more space and it made it a little bit more flatter when I was able to put it in the organizer. So I was able to fit all of the organizers in his carry-on suitcase. I just placed everything in there nice and neatly, and it was great for when we also had dirty clothes as well. So it was nice to just be able to have everything organized for our trip. I also put a pair of shoes in one of the organizers as well. I believe he only brought 2 pairs of shoes with him, a pair white and I think like a pair of like some slacks or sneakers. I can't remember, but he did end up bringing a book bag because with flights you can bring a carry-on and another small item. So he did have a book bag and he put his other pairs of sneakers in there, and I think he put a couple of like underwears and socks in there as well, and then that was it. So the good thing about this suitcase is that it has an extra part where you can make it bigger if you feel like it's too tight. And now we're on to my luggage. So for my skirt, I did fold it in 3s again as well, and I just rolled it up, and that was pretty much it. It was simple, easy, and straight to the point. So a lot of the stuff that I have packed already, I'm just taking out for the sake of the video to show you guys, but I do kind of pack throughout the week just if I'm thinking of items that I want to wear. If I had already purchased something for that specific trip, I do kind of just pack as I go. Sometimes I do think that I forget to pack like just because clothes. Like for example, we were going to Florida, to Fort Lauderdale, and we were staying right by the beach, and I was thinking of outfits that I can just throw something on really quick if we needed to make a run to the store, things like that. So there was a CVS that was down the street from our hotel, and I did pack those type of clothes just to be able to run and grab something. Even in the morning, we went to Starbucks and got a coffee. So yes, this skirt that I have, I did the same thing, folded it in 3, rolled it up, and put it in a bag, and I was able to fit basically all of my outfits in that packing cube. So yes. So this particular piece of fabric is extremely thick. Honestly, didn't even wear this outfit down there because I didn't like the top that went with it. It's very, very thick. So I just folded it in 3 again and just laid it there nice and flat. I felt like that was the better solution versus rolling it up, and it would have been big and bulky. And then I used my Shein swimsuits and just kept them in their little storage bags and put them in there. And then I have my little bags for my bra, underwear, and socks. And then I have my space savers for my shoes. You know, us girls, we can get away with sandals and packing a lot of different pairs of shoes. I did wear majority of them shoes. I think there was like 1 pair that I didn't wear. And then I also packed 2 pairs of heels, and I added some flats in between there as well. I also have like toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, things like that. I packed my makeup bag as well. I added a few pairs of sunglasses in there. You guys, I have some Saint Laurent sunglasses that are prescription, and I highly regret that because I can't see without my glasses. So I don't know. I was like, I should have just got them without the prescription. I have no idea what I was thinking. But other than that, that was pretty much it. I packed almost everything. When I went through TSA, I didn't have any issues. They didn't check my bag for anything. And we did end up packing our tripod in my husband's suitcase as well. So he didn't have any issues with that. I also have my extra carry-on luggage. I also have my carry-on plus my personal items. So this is Calpac. I love this book bag. It's the cutest thing ever. It goes right on the top of my suitcase, and I just added a few toiletries and things like that in there. I always bring wet wipes with me. I put my laptop in there, and I think that was pretty much it. I think I might have squeezed a purse in there as well. But you guys, I do sneak on 3 bags. I need my purse. So yes, I can't remember if I'd like hid it under my jacket, or I think I might have just squeezed it in there, or if anything, I might have just put it in my husband's book bag because he doesn't always have a lot. It's usually us women who need stuff for everything. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please share and let me know what you guys think. Until then, namaste.